Hello friends, welcome again to our YouTube channel Backbenchers, a path of learning. Hope you enjoyed our previous video. Thanks to all of you for being with us. Today, the topic of our video is marriage. Today with this video, we will learn about what is marriage, the definition of marriage, the characteristics of marriage, function and importance of marriage, and various forms of marriage. So let's start. Meaning of marriage. Marriage is one of the universal social institutions established to control and regulate the life of mankind. It is closely connected with the institution of family. Marriage is one of the most ancient, important, universal and indispensable social institution which has been in existence since the inception of human civilization. Marriage has different meaning in different culture, in different caste and in different religions. In Islam, marriage is a contract between two people. In Hinduism, marriage is not a social contract but a sacrament. Since marriage is sacred, no party can dissolve it at will. The parties to the marriage are bound to each other until the death of either of them. Definition of marriage. There is no sufficient definition which covers all types of human marriage. In this video, we have given some definitions and explanations, among which the following may be noted. According to Robert H. Louis, marriage is a relatively permanent bond between permissible mates. Malinowski defined marriage as marriage is a contract for the production and maintenance of children. Alfred McLangley says marriage is the public joining together under socially specified regulations of a man and woman as husband and wife. According to Encyclopedia Britannica, marriage is a physical, legal and moral union between man and woman in complete community life for the establishment of a family. According to Horton and Hunt, marriage is the approved social pattern whereby two or more persons establish a family. Characteristics of marriage. First one is universality. Marriage is a universal social institution. It is found in almost all societies. It is found among the pre-literate as well as literate peoples. It is enforced as a social rule in some of the societies. In Korea, unmarried individuals are called half persons. Among the Hindus, marriage is a sacrament which is regarded as more or less obligatory. Marriage is a permanent bond between man and woman as husband and wife. We know marriage is a union of man and woman. It indicates relationship between one or more men to one or more women. Establishment of family. Marriage establish family. Family helps in providing facilities for procreation and upbringing of children. Marriage requires social approval. Marriage requires social approval. Without social approval, the marriage is not valid. When marriage is given the hallmark of social approval, it becomes a legal contract. Marriage associated with civil and religious ceremony. Marriage is always associated with civil and religious ceremony. This social and religious ceremony provides validity to marriage. The ceremony may have its own rites, rituals, customs, formalities, etc. Some other characteristics of marriage are: marriage creates mutual obligations. Marriage bond is enduring. Marriage indicates a long lasting bond between the husband and wife. Function and importance of marriage. First is a base of the family. Marriage is the base of the family. The procreation of children, their upbringing, and nourishment take place within the family. Next is marriage creates unity. Marriage often creates unity. Marriage brings together people from different social background, ensures unity. Regulation of sex life. Marriage is the powerful instrument of regulating the sex life of man. It is an urgent and irresistible need of man. It has been to be controlled and regulated in a proper manner to avoid chaos and confusion in society. Social sanction. Marriage is an important social institution. It provides social sanction for a man and woman to live together. Social solidarity. Marriage is not only a relationship between a man and a woman, but also a relationship between their respective families. It is possible to minimize the social distance between groups and strengthen their solidarity through marriage. Some other function and importance of marriage are: marriage regulates sex relations also. Like it provides sex relations between the closest relatives, that is between their father or daughter, mother and son, brother or sister, etc. Such a kind of prohibition is called incest taboo. Marriage contributes to emotional and intellectual interstimulation of the partners. Marriage brings life partners together and helps them to develop intense love and affection towards each other.